Well, hello, my dear friends. Today in Pen and Paper, we're going to talk about absolute error. What is absolute error and how do you calculate it, you ask? Well, absolute error is half of the smallest unit. So what you do is you're given a number and you find the smallest unit. So in this case, my smallest unit for problem 1 is, since I have 12 yards, is 1 yard. So you go to the smallest unit, which is in the ones space. Okay, so you take half of the ones space. Half of 1 is 12. So the absolute error, half of 1 is a half, boy. So the absolute error is half a yard. Now, what does that mean in this case? Well, if I was taking a measurement and I was factoring in the absolute error, I could say that my number could be in between. So I'll say in between 1/2 of a yard smaller than 12 yards. So take away a half from 12 and you get 11.5. And half a yard bigger than that, which is 12.5. So if I was asked to find the exact measurement, my exact measurements would be in between 11.5 and 12.5 yards. And that's what it means. That's what absolute error means. How about this one? This is weird. Now you might be wondering, well, wait a minute. Why is it 4/16 and not 1/4? The fact that this is a non-simplified fraction is telling you that my measurement is more precise. So as crazy as it sounds, my smallest unit here is 1/16. So 1/2 times 1/16 is my smallest unit. If it was simplified to 1/4, then I would do 1/2 times 1/4. But my smallest is a 16th. See up here how I said my smallest was a 1? My smallest is a 16th. Half of a 16 is 1/32 inches, and that's my absolute error. So what that means in this case is if I were to add 1/32 to everything, let me convert this into 30 seconds so that it could be done a little bit easier. My exact measurement would be in between 50 and 8 30 seconds. Take away a 30 seconds, so 7 30 seconds. And 50 and 8 30 seconds plus 1 30 seconds, which is 9 30 seconds. Talk about it. Pretty weird, but fun in my book. So what do we have here? Let's go back to 5th grade when we were forced to word things the way we were supposed to. Nowadays, most people would just say 3.28. In reality, what this is this is 3 28/100ths. Okay? So the smallest unit is half of a hundredth. Which means half times 0.10 hundredth. Which is the same as 0.005. What is this? Feet? Feet. Again, my smallest unit is not the tenth, but the hundredth. So half of a hundredth is half of 0.01. Or if you think of it, 0.010. And so half of 0.010 is 0.005. So when I want to find out the exact measurement, it's going to be in between 3.27 minus 0.005. So if you just want to pretend that there's a 0 there for now, 3.275 feet. And one more than that, 3.285 feet. One more. Very, 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 very similar. I have a number in the ones, the tenths with the TH, the hundredths with the TH, and now the thousandths with the TH. So my smallest number is in this thousandths. So my absolute error is going to be half of a thousandth. Whether I spelled that right or not, I don't know. So times, or in other words, half times 0.10th, hundredth, 1,000th, which is, if I wanted to sneak a 0 there, which I could to help me understand a little bit better, 0.0010 divided by 2, so 0.0010 divided by 2 is 0.05. So my absolute error is 0.0005 centimeters, or 5 thousandths, 10 thousandths, 5 10,000ths centimeter. So if I want to find the exact measurement, it's going to be in between of 0.0005 smaller than that. So if I sneak a 0 at the end of there, that might be helpful. So it's going to be between 2.7585 centimeters and 2.7595 centimeters. Okay? That, boys and girls, is absolute error. Never said it would be easy. I just said it would be fun.